Guys, to this video, magluto tag Mediterranean food. Potatoes, pork, arrange it nicely, and then you can put garlic, tomatoes, onions, green peppers, carrots, and then salt, pepper, turmeric, chili pepper, oregano, mustard, and then cubes or beef broth and mustard seeds and water. Mix it, guys, and then olive oil, the last one, and then cover, bake it for 400 for 1.5 hours to 2 hours, and then bake it for 10 minutes or 20 minutes open, no foil, no cover, I mean. Now it's ready. It's very yummy, guys. And then you can ready the toast bread. See, guys? Yummy, delicioso. So that's my recipe for today's video. So you can try it, guys, and let me know. Look at that, it smells so good, guys. And now my hubby-dubby tasted it, and we'll see what's the verdict. So yummy and smells yummy, guys. Really good, guys. See, thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next one. Bye. Garlic bread.